Yeah, Mission One back up on the shit. Shouts out ENT, Louisville, Kentucky, stand up. Album coming soon. Check us out. Let's get it.
Yeah, Lil Brandon on this shit, man. Rest easy, mama. Exclusive shit. I'm back with another one. Let me see you throw your L's up. Represent. Let me see you throw your set up. Represent. Let me see you throw them L's up. Represent. Let me see you throw your set up. Represent.
Let me see you throw your L's up. Represent. Let me see you throw your set up. Represent. Let me see you throw your L's up. Represent. Let me see you throw your set up. Represent.
Twist your fingers up. Show me where you from. Throw your set up. Show me where you from. Cause me, Lil Brandon, yeah, I'm straight from Southside. Where every day a different nigga, yeah, he down to die. And me, Lil Brandon, since day one, yeah, I'm down to ride. And plus I'm with my nigga, Mission One. You know we in the studio, just having fun. Working on this album, yeah, you know it's coming one day. But in April the 15th, yeah, wait on it. Cause me, Lil Brandon, yeah, I'm coming with the exclusive shit. And plus I give these bitches, yeah, I give them the exclusive dig. 2014 shit, look. I switch it up, but I know we Morris now. The young nigga coming in real horse. Now I'm on this bitch, and she want me like she was a fucking horse. Now I'm on this shit, no, I don't with it. And now, nigga, I'm not gay. And you niggas, yeah, y'all mamas, yeah, no, yeah, have babies. But me, Lil Brandon, nah, I don't even play. Cause it's me, man. I can switch it up and go fast or slow. And you already know what I fucking do. Y'all don't have to explain it, dude. You should already know, dude. Let me see you throw them L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent. Let me see you throw them L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent.
Let me see you throw your L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent. Let me see you throw your L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent. Started from the bottom, I throw my L's up, I throw my sets up. Yes, I'm from the south side. Mission One, a little Brandon, can I'm off the track. Cause you know we doing it big in the cave. Nigga, murder building, sitting on your horse. You can watch it, here we come. Gotta do it big in the murder pit. Nigga shooting on guns on you hoes. Nigga, watch it, here we come. We kill them off them haters, and we shoot it on you hoes. And we kill them on your bitches, nigga. Yes, we doing it good. Cause you know we riding smooth in the KY all day. You know we sipping on the good juice shit, nigga, all day. Know we got the syrup while we got the UV. Sipping on them haters, nigga, heading to the club. Nigga, riding smooth, nigga, ballin' smooth in the KY. Nigga, throwin' sets up, throw them beats up. Nigga, throw you where you from, nigga, I'm with them from the south side.
Let me see you throw them L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent. Let me see you throw them L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent.
Let me see you throw your L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent. Let me see you throw your L's up, represent. Let me see you throw your set up, represent.
I got my team in, if you fall, I got hands like monster catchers. And late at night when I pray, yeah, I know the Lord gon' bless it. Cause when I die, you know I'm trying to go straight to heaven. And I gotta be straight when I go into the streets, start hustling. And a young nigga, yeah, you know I'm going in, and you know I do my thing. Plus I'm on my thing like I'm playing 2K14, man. And you know I'm dunking over these niggas like I'm 6'4". But I'm really not, yeah, you know I'm 5'4". But I'm not, I'm 5'7", and you know I'm gonna make it. Now young niggas in this room got the girl dancing naked, and I'm on shit every day. And you know what, nigga, don't play, cause you know we vaporing in this place all day. Cause you know we vapor, cause it's better for your lungs. What you wanna do? Yeah, I got your baby mama sprung, and she's all off on me. Yeah, you know it's fucking me, and I do this shit. I can go kill any bee, huh?
Southside ENT Productions.